Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Gangertronies. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Okay. Quick analysis. Everything is popping off today, which is cool because um we bought the swings. Now, looking at on the long term, now we might have a quick scalp trade here. Let's see here. If we break below here, we're hopping in. So hold that thought. Hold that thought. Yeah, guys, we gotta. This is scalping territoire. Territoire. But all right, on the right side here, you can see I went ahead and started scaling into the puts. I think we should come lower. There's this level down here that is really juicy, and also the 200-day moving average has not been hit yet, which is. Let me see. What is going on? 60-day. What the heck? We'll go 100. We'll go 200. Moving averages. Okay. Put this one in. Okay. Okay. Actually, let's do it purple. Okay. I want to see it. Okay. You see the 200-day moving average is way down here. So we went ahead and started leveraging in for the 200-day moving average, which is below the 661. And it's in this 559. I'd like to see 556, honestly. But I do think we start coming into the 200-day moving average. Also, tomorrow is FOMC. So if Jerome Powell doesn't cut the rates, which I don't think he will, I think we see some retaliation from market sentiment. Okay, it looks like we might get a quick scalp here. So I'm leveraging into the puts here, like long-term puts, probably like a week or two out. Right now, I'm just going to take a little small scalp trade. 0 day. Anticipation of coming back into this range here. You see we broke out of that structure. Small retest on the 1 minute here. If we come back down, I'm in there. I'm in there, brother. Yeah, guys. Yesterday we took a loss. I lost like 130 off of stupid stuff. We were positive. This is really a scalper's market. I was trying to let my levels hit, but this is a true scalper's market, so I can't be doing that. Can't be doing that. So yeah, let's see if this is the break and retest, and we start breaking down here. So we'll take a quick, dollar scalp off of here. $15-minute opening range is here. For those who like the 15-minute opening range breakout method, we'll go this as top line. You can see I have so many take profit levels. We've hit this one. 673 was what I was wanting. That was the gap. So we can delete that now. See on the 1 minute we did the break. We retested. If we start coming lower than this, I'll take a quick scalp. Pre-market lows all the way down here. Potential. We'll mark that one out. All right. This is the low for the 5-minute opening range breakout. We'll mark that one in red. Or 15-minute opening range breakout. All right, so now we see what happening. Right. 4, 5, yeah. If we can get a retest into here, we'll take the 672 quick scalp. How you guys been doing in the market, man? It's been tough. It has been tough. Tough times. Tough times for sure. Also, just a random note. I'm chopping this, dude. Oh my days. Look at my hair, dude. It's time for the big chop. It's time for the big change, guys. Big change in my life. That's kind of what we want to see here. We just need to break this level here. And we're in there, gangers. Just look across the market here. See what's happening. Tesla's pushing. Oof. Tesla's in a nice little order block here. See what happens. Meta's falling. How's some of our swings doing? IGV, wow. Good pump there. KMB, ooh, this looks like a potential crazy swing here. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. KMB looks like a crazy swing, guys. Massive gaps up here. We might have to watch that one. Okay, back to what we were looking at. This is a retest. If we start breaking down here, we're in the puts really quickly. Wish we could stay here forever. Guys, yo, I don't know if this will ever go up. If it does, that's hilarious, but I'm not letting you guys hear, but shout outs to Casper Sage, bro. I'm a fan, dude. Bro got good music. Alright, let's run it, dude. This is the retest. Let's come into 672 range. I'm just hoping we don't bounce here. Good starter movement. We just need this to break through. And we'll have confluence on the 5-minute that will hit the 672.18. Yes, just like that. Here we go, guys. Quick scalp. Nothing too crazy. Just a quick scalp. Quick scalperton. We should hit it here in a second. How much time do we have left till this 5-minute closure? Yeah, we're good. We're good. But come on down. Mr. 1 Minute Candle, come on down. Come on down, brother. We've been waiting for you. Alright, I'm gonna exit out there, guys. Quick scout. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. This market is not clear, so I'm just scalping literally everything. Not putting anything up to chance. Now, once we get back to regular market conditions, I'll consider holding trades, but for now, no. But I did enter a swing for about a week out, expecting tomorrow to have a real just terminal drop into 556, 555, or 655, 656 area. It's just FOMC. I don't think Jerome Powell's going to cut the rates or anything, especially with how Trump's trying to pressure him to do so. They're like in this little like feud, dude. It's hilarious. Like, it's crazy because they hold our financial policy in their hands, and I mean, I think Jerome Powell is pretty good as far as a chairman. I think he's been great. But you know, Trump has his own agenda, so he's like, bro, get to it. So it's funny how they're just in a little feud. It looks like little kids fighting. So I doubt. With that being said, having Trump really wanting rates to be pushed, I doubt it happens. Doubt it. Which I think will be a catalyst if we go back to our overall here. You can see we finally recovered this gap. I should probably show you on my trading view. Might be a little easier because this one's marked to oblivion. Let me see here. Yeah, I don't know if I can show you guys, but we basically covered this. There's like a small gap here at 674 on the daily, you see? And we hit that. So now, when I look on the daily, what is this? What is this line? What is this? Right, and we take off extended hours. Massive gap now. Just move this out the way. Look at the massive gap at 669. You guys seen that? Even bigger gap down here. Okay, so marking these out. We've got one down here, needs to be filled. Okay, boom. We covered this gap finally. Now we got smaller gaps to fill, which I'm cool with. Does that look right? Just about. Yeah, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, guys. Okay, so 669, you see, is clear. Then we have one at 663, which I think my buddy was saying to me yesterday. No, he was saying something crazy. 637. I don't know where he got that number from. But yeah, you can see these gaps, guys. These have to be filled. And you see, we always fill them. It sometimes takes a little bit of time. This one, to fill this one, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. But yeah, you know, sometimes it does take time, but having FOMC and that we're still following this bearish trend, downtrend, I do think, yeah, that we will see some downfall. For sure, for sure. We broke out of this trend channel, right? We were in this trend channel for so long. Now we broke out. Okay, so yeah, I do think we could see 669. So let's go back. I think there's a good chance we see 669, guys. We played it to here. Good trade. Let's see if we have some bouncing action here. Yeah, you can see all of our have recouped. Oh, nay. Didn't mean to do that. We took the Amazon trade. I want to see if it comes lower, guys. Like, I really would want to see. There's this gap here on Amazon. I'll actually make this a little bolder. Right, and there's also, this needs to be filled. I'll pull it up on the bigger chart so you guys can see a little bit clearer. And then here. Okay, going back to Amazon. You see, we're in this channel here. This is probably a better drawn trend there. Really just a perfect bounce. Two. So there's a chance we just go higher and take these out. $25% off from highs. Yeah, we're just following that trend. Oof. I'm not gonna lie, looking at Amazon, it looks so bullish, it's crazy. It looks so bullish, it's kind of insane. Guys. Okay, here's one that I need to look at as well. while SPY's figuring out what it needs to do. Coinbase, if we look on a daily, has come out of this wedge, broke, retest, and has started in its upward trend here. You can see this is key level for me, and it's starting to move. So that must mean Bitcoin has been doing pretty well, because they have been directly correlated. Okay, Bitcoin hasn't broken yet. Very easily could just fall tomorrow. Guys, if you didn't buy Bitcoin at 60 grand, come on. Like, look at that. Amazon looks insanely bullish. I'm not gonna lie to you. Hopefully we can get a repurchase for FOMC. But there's just no guarantees, guys. No guarantees. Oops. I don't know what this line is from. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so it could happen today. That would be so fire if we see 669 today. It's gonna be a great trade, guys. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Entry point. And our target will be right there. Sheesh. I'm so tired, guys. Okay, give me just a second. I'll be right back. We're back. Had to get some drinky drink. Alright, we're just watching closely. Like I said, I do think 669 is possible. You see we bounced here perfectly. Personally, I want a little bit more confluence. It looks good right now, though. It looks really good. See, it's weird. See, as we draw, my lines on different time frames, it's like, bro, what? What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Guys, I don't know what to do here. Amazon looks so good. I don't want to load shares because I do think it can come lower. I would love, but it came lower. 196 and I missed it, guys. What? Literally insane. Literally insane. Like literally. Alright, guys, I'm getting crazy. I need to chill out. I okay. Okay, one that I actually am watching really close is this guy. This guy here. Look at this gap. Look at these gaps on the. Look at them on the dailies. What I don't want is this to create a bull flag. But if tomorrow is the catalyst for us to start coming down, I'm entering like end of the month puts here for sure. Okay. Well, this is why we waited. You can see this is bull flagging now. Like, what the hell, brother? That's why we wait. Give me a second. Give me just a second, guys. Alright, we're back. This looks bullish, guys. On the small time frame, it looks like a bull flag, but we'll wait to see. On the 1 minute, it is bouncing off that line here, so it very well could be. Very well could be. I'm still waiting. My thesis is on the downside. Honestly, today could be a floater day. Having that tomorrow, we have so much news going on, like economic data. What all do we have tomorrow? Okay, we got PPI and interest rates tomorrow. It's a lot of volatility. Jobless claims on Thursday. No. Saturday is his last speech. Jerome Powell's last speech. Oh, shoot. That's crazy. Wow. Wow, look at Apple. Wow. Dun, dun. Meta, dude. What are you going to do? Meta's kind of just been unsure for a long time. Wow, it's pumping here, guys. We're basically break even on the week. We made back what we lost yesterday. So we're just waiting and hunting. I might go ahead and pause this video and kind of wait for some stuff to play out, and then I can hit you guys up again when I start to see anything, so it's not just like random movement. But there's a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market. And as a trader, we love that. We absolutely love that. So good. Okay, so it did play out on that bullish structure there. crazy work. All right, guys. Let me know what you think. If we should wait, we're back here on the 1 minute. Could be a quick scalp, but nothing that I want to take. Netflix looks juicy. We're trading in this range. The extended hours. It's interesting. It's sitting on the 100-day moving average. But looks like it's rejecting on the daily 100-day moving average. See this? Purple is our 100-day. Orange is our 200-day. So it might start rejecting here. I think. Oh, tough. I'm going to go ahead and send this one on my X here. Oh. Just because this one does look super interesting. It just looks interesting, guys. Looks really juicy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I am gonna enter these. Having the FOMC tomorrow, my bias is that we continue falling. Yeah. Look at juicy gaps below on SPY, man. Yeah. Juicy gaps. I like juicy gaps. That sounds pause. Okay, wait. That sounds a little crazy. But for like 663, massive gap. 669, massive gap. We finally covered this gap, and on 674, I believe. No? I'm tripping. Maybe not. Maybe we do see some upside push. Maybe it didn't fully cover it. Either way, I'm okay with entering the swings when I did. But that's interesting. For sure. Yeah, we could see some continuation to the upside. I'm not gonna lie to you. As I say that. As I say that, we literally see it happening. So funny. I'll enter light. 674. See what happens. See what happens. I do think this will happen. I might have to wait. We might come and hit this really quickly. We might come into here, actually. And cover this gap. Ooh, nice little push. Nice little push. Very nice, very nice. That means Amazon might start pushing. It's interesting. Because 216 is the level that I have up here. What? Did I really enter the... Okay, no. I just got really confused for a second. I'm not gonna lie to you. Aha! And afford you. And I don't. Does Amazon come and hit 216? That's some really, really bullish structure going on right here. Like really bullish structure going on. The only reason is we never covered this 674.70, and we're so close. I just have a feeling we smack it. I could be wrong. I could be very wrong. I just don't think I am. I could be very wrong, guys. Let's see. Amazon looks like it wants to go. No guarantees, though. Oof. Little sell off. I can't afford you. gotta enter Amazon, guys. I just feel like we gotta enter it. It just, I don't know. Just looks too crazy not to. Got it. Still in bullish structure. Got a major point there. The only thing stopping me is like how many green candles we've had, but also we've got like this double bottom action going on, so like, you know, who's to say we won't? Crazy work. Don't like this slowdown on this 5 minute. We really need to start seeing like some massive uptick. If not, we could see a reversal here. You can see lots of starting to break. This is a terrible drawn trend line. Zoom in. Guys, I know these videos are super long, so I can pause them and come back as these trades happen, but it's more just for me as well. Good little push there. Yeah, we just okay. So we never covered this gap at 674.70 on the daily. So everything in me is like pointing to it want to cover that. I could be wrong. I could be very wrong. I could be very wrong. But we're gonna hold and see because I don't feel like I am. We're so close. And this is giving some like bullish formation here. But I could be wrong. I don't have to. The market is not for me to, like it does what it wants. Makers will make you know that they do what they want. If you know what I mean. So that's why I've already just started leveraging into the puts. I actually bought them here. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I bought the 671s. But we shall see what happens, my friends. I do think we're still in. I think we're so close. Like it has to, dude. I keep saying it has to, and then I say, no, it doesn't have to. Goober. Look at Amazon, guys. It looks juicy. I'm not gonna lie. Amazon looks like a juicy trade here. From 213 to 216.05. It looks so juicy, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it looks so good. Amazon is literally going to tell what SPY is going to do. Look. Oh my days. Come on, Amazon. What we want to do here, bro? What we want to do here, bro? What we want to do? You tell me, bro. It's looking like you want to get bullish. But if you don't, just tell me, bro. It's okay. I won't take any offense. Just let me know, because I'm confused with all this teeter-totter. Also, Dijon, bro, I need to start DMing you now. I need you at my wedding. 1,000%. 1,010%. Literally probably top 3 favorite artists of all time. You, Frank. I don't even know who's number 3. I don't even know. I'd be listening to a lot of Gunna. I'd listen to a lot of Gunna. Gunna's hard, bro. All right. There we go. Getting a little bit of bullish movement. Or trying to. It's trying its best, guys. I just know it's going to pop. Like, it's literally just going to pop. But it is taking forever to know what it's doing. There's no volume. If we see, there's literally no volume here. Like, look at the beginning of the day. We had millions, right? 2 million, 1 million. Now we're down to the 100,000s. No volume. So we're getting no movement. So we need lots of buyers to come in ASAP. And there's not any. So that's a good indicator for you guys if you ever are trying to figure out. I don't even have level 2 data on, but you know, if when you get really serious about trading, which I don't even know I don't have level 2 data on, but the volume tells you a lot. Once you see a spike in volume, of course you're going to see a spike in buying or selling, right? And right now there's just no volume. If we look on Amazon, there's like no volume. Like no volume. SPY, like no volume. So people aren't really trading right now. I think it might just be a floater day. Everybody's just wanting to know what's going to happen. I don't think there's any news or data happening today. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, I mean, pending home sales. What's that mean? Nothing crucial. Do. Wow. Okay. Okay. What is that? What is that, SPY? I'm not falling for it. I need to see Amazon really fall, and then I'll consider it. Legit. Consider it. Oh my god, excuse me, guys. Holy shite. Dude, creatine. I used to hate on it. I'm very natural. Don't do any supplements, but I started drinking this creatine drink, and apparently the brain function that it has and the benefits for the brain, I had to start doing some research. It's actually pretty good. Alright, SPY's getting tanked right now. I'm not necessarily sold out of it. It could tank pretty hard for a little bit. As you see, we're like came near our trend line here in 673. But like, I still have faith that we just pop up and come into 674. Like, we're so close. We're so close. And I think the teller is going to be Amazon, as I said before. It's looking so bullish. Like, so bullish, guys. I don't want to preemptively hop in. Like, I have to be pretty tactical. But it looks so juicy. Like, everything looks like a bullish structure. Okay, Amazon's starting to continue. Alright. I think I gotta hop in, guys. I've been talking about it for too long. I think I gotta hop in. There's still no volume, though, is the worst part. Like, literally no volume. So it's like, brother. Where the makers at? They're on lunch? It's not even lunchtime yet. Just crazy work. I'm seeing some uptick here on Apple on the 5-minute. I'm also starving, guys. I want to see 674 get taken. Amazon 216 get taken. I also need makers to come in and buy before lunch and then sell at lunch. If they buy, I'm literally entering 669 swings, probably for a week out. That's how I feel, guys. That's how I feel. But right now, nothing's really happening. They don't really know. There's really no volume. Like, no volume. I mean, we got seller's volume right now. But like, there's no volume here on this trade. We got an hour for this trade to play out, guys. And I say an hour because that's when it turns noon, and we usually see makers take their lunch and they take their profits at lunch. But there's literally no volume. I think everybody's done trading early, which is crazy work. I should be done trading. But I do think we need to hit 674. We didn't hit it. I mean, technically, 674.44. I mean, yeah, I guess we kind of did. We don't have to hit it. I just want that level to get taken out. But I'm starving, guys, so I really am thinking about cutting it here and just checking back in. It's getting kind of cooked right now. I need to make my stop a lot shorter. Look at Amazon just like figuring it out. Am I gonna go up? I don't know. Nay, bruv. Amazon, do I hop in? Do I quit being a little chicken and hop in? Here's what I'm worried about. The moment I hop in Amazon, it's gonna break structure and then come to the downside. It's like, dude, bruv, come on, bruv. Not looking too friendly. Yeah, see, this is why I didn't trade Meta. Meta's been on some different time, dude. Different time. Wowza. Come on, SPY. Don't fake me out here. That doesn't look good. I'm not gonna lie. This does not look good. This does not look good. We would need like intense buyers to come in right now, and we're not getting that. We're just getting cooked. Okay, guys, if we get stopped out of this trade, I'm just gonna call it. I think it could. I probably should put the stop here. I'm telling you, I know Amazon, dude. It literally. I don't know which way to go, honestly. I want to say it's gonna go up, but like, dude, you've seen Meta. Meta does this all the time. Meta has literally manipulated me so many times. Like, no clear movement there. Long-term buys, yeah, I would say for sure. But the movement on Meta is always insane. Come on, bro. I believe in you, SPY. Let's hit our level here. Yeah? Amazon. we doing? What are we gonna do? Are we just stopping here? Is that how you feel? So conflicted. This is why I'm not hopping in Amazon. It's because I'm conflicted. And I'm so hungry. I just want to hop out of the trade lightweight. It looks like it's going to wake me out here. Jeez Louise. What a sell. My God. Yeah, guys. It just took us out. Big time. Whoa. Is he going 669 right now? No way, right? Look, it's trying to look at it. It thinks it knows, brother. I should move this below here. I still think it's bullish. And the reason why is I think it's just going to do a little bit of bullshiting for a little bit. Right. It's going to just do a little bit of bullshit. A little bit of bull flag here and there. Right. You see that? Crazy work, guys. Crazy work. If it just breaks all the way down, I'll be speechless. I'll be like, bro, what? The waiting is killing me, and I'm hungry. Not good. Not good, not good, not good. Look at Amazon, dude. It looks so bullish. I don't know. It looks so bullish. It literally looks so bullish. It's crazy. I think I gotta hop in, dude. I've been saying it for too long. I just know the moment I hop in, it's gonna do some BS, bro. It just does that. 8 seconds is all it takes. You got your silver spurs on. Jabs around your waist. Dirt on your face. This is crazy work. This is crazy work. Look at Meta. It's struggling, dude. Meta's just getting rugged. See, Amazon's just struggling here, dude. But it just looks so bullish. I think I gotta hop in, guys. I've talked about it so long. I just gotta run it and cut it short. I think I'm just keep you guys updated. That's it. I'm still in the SPY calls. We have this over here. And the rodeo. I have a feeling this is a bull flag. I could be wrong. This could be coming down. But just looking at Amazon, looking at Apple. Tesla's getting bullish right now. Yeah. I just don't. Tough, guys. Tough. And I don't want to wait anymore. I need my glasses so bad. Oh my god, my eyes are getting burnt. Yeah, look at Apple starting to shoot here. The worst part is, like, it doesn't have to do anything, you know? Like, it could just, look at Meta. Literally look at Meta. You see it breaking down here. Where are we looking at for Netflix? Okay. Yeah. See, it's hitting right now, guys. Forget about it. I'm gonna move this one over here. Yup. Alright, guys, I'm just going to pause it here. I'll let you know if I take any other trades, how it plays out. Still in the calls. Still getting cooked. But I will let you know. I'll pause it here for now, guys. We're already an hour into the video. We're seeing some uptick here. So we shall see, man. We'll see. Alright, guys. I'm gonna call it here. I will check back in, let you know if I take any other trades. But yeah, for now, we're chilling. Amazon looks juicy. SPY's coming back. Expected. I do think it's in a bull flag to where it can come up to here. Who knows, though? Shout out Daniel Caesar. Who knows? All right. I'm gonna pause it here. I'm still watching Amazon. Do you think it can get bullish? But who knows? But all right, guys. I will keep you updated. That's all for now. Peace, ganger chonies. I'll check back in a moment. Oof, look at that spike there. Wow. All right. Let's see what happens. All right, we're back. And some things have transpired. Okay, we saw a massive fall, and I actually think we're going to continue falling here and might hit 669. The only thing that I'm kind of skeptical of is watching this trend line here from previous days. You can see we're kind of following closely. If we break below, I do think we'll hit 669. And we're positioned for it. But I think there's a good likelihood we might come up from here. We might just come up from here. Ooh, guys, I'm about to cut all my hair off. Oh, my days. Crazy. Watch him roll close for a scalp. As you can see, this 5 minute. Just waiting to see if this is a rejection and we just continue lower, or for bouncing off this and actually coming up. That looks like a wick to come up higher. Yeah, that's some background noise going on. I do think 669 is inevitable, but just waiting. Just waiting. This could be the retest here, and then we just come lower, or we bounce off this and actually come higher and hit 671 here. Just waiting, patiently waiting. We're positioned in the 669s for tomorrow, and also, yeah, looks like we want to come lower, guys. It looks like we want to just come lower. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Goodness gracious. Nay, that's not what we want. That is a double bottom there. No. See, this is a double bottom here. We don't want to get caught there at all. At all. We got good seller volume. long as we can break through, I'm not too worried. But if this really does wick here, we're cooked. Don't like the look of it. Don't like the look of it, guys. Wow, they may have just caught us. Let's see, we really just need to break here. I just don't want that to be a double bottom and we start coming up. We got our next 5-minute candle here. Let's see what happens. Let that be the wick. Please let that be the wick. Please let that be the wick. And let's continue lower. That's not what we want. Let that be the wick, please. Let that be the wick, please. See, the average is 151. We're below average here with buyers. See where I see that, guys? Here. It's 5 minute. We're still good. We just really need continuation on the downside. I don't like the look of that though. We just need to break here on this 5 minute and I will be happy. I don't like the look of this currently. I want to break on the downside. So if this candle becomes red, you can see there's low volume for the buyers, which gives me a confluence that sellers are still taking over. Still low volume on the sellers. Very low volume on the sellers. Okay. It's good movement there. Whoa, what's that wick? What just happened? What was that wick? What just happened? Wait, what? No, dude. What just happened? Oh my god, guys. This is why you need real-time data. Real-time speed. No way. That just happened, dude. Wow. It really just wicked in front of me. And I didn't even see it. You guys, we didn't even see it. This is why you need real-time data. I am being an amateur trader because I'm not paying for real-time data. That is tragic. That was actually tragic. How did that happen? It hit 669 in front of our face, guys. We didn't even see it happen. Nay. Not cool. Not cool. Not cool. Come on. We need sellers to stay in here. Volume is saying sellers, but or keep bouncing there. I don't like that. That's ridiculous. That wick was ridiculous. That wick was ridiculous, guys. We actually might get cooked here because of that. Look at that. Look. That was insane, dude. Are you kidding me? That was insane. That was insane, dude. This happened on a 30, like 15 second, like mass selling happened here. We get an influx of buying volume. Like, I'm getting cooked now. Ay, guys. Tough. You didn't even get a chance to sell. That hurt so bad. Like, not even getting the chance to sell is crazy, dude. And we just lost because of it. That's so dumb. Oh my days, dude. Wow. Wow, that wick was insane, dude. Literally insane. What was that, dude? What was that? Like, literally didn't even see it because it happened in a millisecond. It's very frustrating. Very, very frustrating. It's all good. It happens, but like, jeez, dude. Are you kidding? So frustrating. I hate losing to stuff that's out of my control. Like, dude, like, come on. That's so frustrating. High key frustrating. Very high key frustrating. Like, look, and this is the double bottom there. For lucky, it'll come all the way back down, but I don't know, guys. High key frustrating. Very frustrating. Now we have to wait. Like I said, this looks like a double bottom waiting to happen. And we could come and retest 671. Ay, guys. That was insane wick. Like an insane wick. Very annoying. Like, I just didn't even get a chance. This is the annoying part. What? Okay. We were almost at take profit, guys. What? Literally, like, what was that? don't want this to reverse here. Still got lots of volume for sellers, so we may be good, but just waiting, patiently waiting now. Next candle starts here. If we can get a little wick up and then to the downside. You see that 5-minute wick? That's kind of what we want there. And then we want a continuation. And you can see the low buyer's volumes there. Very low buyer volume. I think sellers are still here. So we came and retested, didn't break. The thing is, this movement is whack as heck, dude. Super whack. Super whack. Not a whole lot of volume on buyers. What do we do? What are we doing? I do need level 2 for real-time data. Because this is ridiculous. Crazy work, guys. I'm so frustrated. I'm literally so frustrated. Yeah, they'll tell you don't be emotional in trading, but like, dude, we just saw so much gain just leave our face, dude. Like, that's so frustrating. So frustrating. It was literally near our take profit and just wicked. That is very frustrating. So frustrating, man. So frustrating. Beyond frustrating, honestly. Like, I told you too. This looks like a double bottom because it weighs so hard. Beyond frustrating, guys. Literally beyond frustrating. Literally has my temperature hot right now. Like, now I'm gonna take a red day because of it. Dude, I can't stand the market sometimes, dude. Like, that is so beyond frustrating. And yeah, at this point, all I do is wait. Like. That's ridiculous. Oh my days, dude. The worst part is, I think it gets bullish out of here. I could be wrong. But guys, that's so frustrating, man. So frustrating. So frustrating. It hit 669, but I only hit it for literally 10 seconds. Like, you had to quickly get out, and I did not. And that is what is frustrating me most. I didn't even get a chance to get out. Tough. Tough, 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 tough. So tough, dude. Yeah, a little sick of that, if you couldn't tell. Oh my days, dude. Like, that is ridiculous. Literally ridiculous. Still holding the runners. But like, jeez, dude, are we serious right now? They really just like cooked me so hard. Cooked me so hard, dude. We need like massive cells like right now. Like right now, right now. No seller volume. Yeah, guys, cooked. They really just cooked me, dude. This has to be one of the most frustrating trading days I've had in a very long time. Not only was I in the right play, but like, dude, not giving me a chance to exit is ridiculous. And now, oh my god, dude. Ay, 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 guys. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, I mean, I've got to close them before I get cooked. Beyond frustrating, guys. Like, literally beyond frustrating. What the Look at this, dude. Look at this. Like, what is that? What is that wick, dude? Like, what is that freaking wick? Whatever. Whatever. You win some, you lose some. I just lost one. I guess from this point, I play the calls. Like, like all you can do is like laugh, but like at the same time, like, are you freaking kidding me? What in the world was that, dude? So frustrating. So freaking frustrating. We were up probably like 250, 300 on the day. No. Oh, yeah, guys. So frustrating. Worst part is I think it's getting bullish out of here. Like, Jesus Christ, dude. Ah. They tell you not to be emotional. I need to walk away because I'm just getting pissed off looking at the chart. But like, dude, are you serious right now? Very frustrating. Very frustrating. Guys, I went from being up on the day to now I'm break even. Off of like 3 closed bullshit trades. Like, bullshit. Like, I don't know. I may be done for the day, honestly. If you're reacting like I am right now, you gotta walk away. Because this. If you feel yourself getting pissed off, that's when you know. You gotta walk away, dude. That's how I feel right now. Just absolutely just pissed. Like, ah. Just friggin' pissed, dude. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Kind of want to just call it. Like, that has me sick to my soul. Sick to my soul. Yeah, guys, this video was an hour and 45 minutes. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. Rough day. Oh my god. It's literally such a rough day. So annoying, but it is what it is. So annoying, dude. I literally got cooked off of a 10-second wick. Didn't even get cooked, but didn't get a chance to sell here. Very frustrating. Like, if we go to the 10-second, even on a 10-second, there's a wick. Like, you had to. Didn't even show on the 10-second, actually. Okay, yes, it does. Like, it was a wick on the 10-second, guys. So, like, you literally had, like, 2 seconds to sell. Computers were definitely there playing that. But hopefully we just get a downside. I'm going to call it here. This is a super long video, and I can feel myself getting very frustrated and emotional. So I'm just let the play out. Hopefully it does what it's got to do. Comes back down, but we'll see. It doesn't look good. Just looking here, small chin line there, but we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna call it here, guys. Let to fight another day. Very, very frustrating. We had some gains. Now we're basically break even on the day. So that's the worst part. Yeah, it's very frustrating, guys. But oh well. It is what it is. You win some, you lose some. Until tomorrow. Peace.